Hey, who do we have here?
Hi, I'm Morgan Mandel, and I'm here over at AuthorFest in Schaumburg, Illinois, at the Schaumburg District Public Library. And we have a great lineup coming up, over 50 authors on different panels. And I'm going to be on one of them myself on the promotion panel. And it's mostly, I guess, because I have this Ning network now called bookplace.com, and some people might, bookplace.ning.com. Some people might have heard of that. And also, I've got this blog spot at Acme Authors Link at blogspot.com. And I've got a book out called Two Wrongs by Morgan Mandel. It's a murder mystery, and it's also got some romance in it, and Marshall Fields in it. Before it was called Macy's, which some people are not happy about. And DePaul University and Frango Mints.
Okay, now you've crossed genres now with a new one, haven't you?
That's true. Now I've got a romantic comedy coming out next summer to show my light side, which I do have sometimes.
Can we see the light side with the camera right now, or that's a different way? That's all in writing, right?
Right. Well, both. Depends on my mood. So anyway, Girl of My Dreams is coming out next summer, and that's by Hard Shell Word Factory also.
Wow.
Both of them out. So we'll see what happens, what people like better, my dark or my light side.
So are you going to use a different pen name to do that or anything?
No, it's all going to be Morgan Mandel, and they can go to my website at www.morganmandel.com and check it out.
All right, awesome. Thank you.
Thank you.